Hi folks, Nadia Tachis here, certified health, life, fitness coach and passionate advocate of Shaklee products. I am here with James Carr and he is going to share how Vision Board works for him. James, take it off.
Thank you so much, Nadia. I'd like to say that's how Nadia and I kind of got linked up together. Is I saw her doing a vision board on Facebook, and this has been probably 3 or 4 years ago now. And I was like, wow, I just really enjoyed your passion for that, and so it kind of drew me to contact you. And when I did, I joined your vision board party. And this was 2 years ago. It was 2017. So, well, actually, that would be 3 years ago. And we did a vision board, and I put mine on 3x5 cards, and I'm going to show those to you. This is one of mine. And I put on here, if you can't read it, I'll read it. It says, I love my 2014 Chevy Equinox, paid for in cash because I don't like debt. And I put on here, I love the rear view camera. I love the smell of the leather seats. And I love the view from the driver's seat. And every time I looked at this on my 3x5 card, which was multiple times during the day, except keep them in my pocket, and I would look at, and I would say that I would love the smell of the leather seats. I love the view of the rear view camera, and this one right here is a metallic gray. Well, I went the whole year and I visualized these, and towards the end of the year, I got involved in a ministry that was totally not business oriented or anything, and through that ministry, I kind of put these in a drawer and kind of forgot about them. And so I got them out of the drawer. We just moved back in September, and I was unpacking some of our boxes, and looked through a drawer that we had stashed away, and I found these. And 2 months ago, I got it's not an Equinox, but it's a 2015 Nissan Murano that looks almost identical to this, and it's a metallic gray, and it has a rear view camera, and it has leather seats.
Wow.
And I was so taken back by that I showed this to my wife, and it was like, this is too specific to be just a fate or whatever, so it really does work. I mean, when you really are consciously thinking about that, it really does something to the subconscious. So that was a pretty awesome accomplishment. So this other one is a little more personal. I mean, it's not. I took a picture of a guy in a magazine that has a real healthy physique, and I kind of put my picture of my face on his, and I visualized that I was the #1 sales rep for my uniform company. And I even put in on the back here, let me see, I'll read it to you. #1 sales rep for the uniform company. And I was prospecting 40 plus clients every week. Well, I greatly surpassed it. I became this past summer the #1 sales rep for our region in the uniform company, and I prospect probably over 50 clients a week.
Wow.
And so the only thing on here is I put my goal weight is 175, and I haven't reached that yet, but I know for the first time in a long time that I'm on the path to actually accomplish that. So and that's through the Prove It Challenge and through coaching with Nadia. So Nadia, I really do appreciate you and all that you've done to sow into my life and to get me to thinking and dreaming again. It really helps.
Well, I'm grateful for it. Wow, James, thank you so much for sharing. Wow, goodness. All
It
right,
is.
folks, if you're interested in getting the life that you want, visualize, create your vision board, have a plan how you're going to get there, and do talk to us. I'm going to post the link underneath this video as well if you would like to get started, or maybe just take a pic what it means to create a vision board. Thank you, James, and thanks everyone.
Thank you.